Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. Today we are filming a prank on Victoria. So basically the prank, we are cutting some of Capone's hair. Yeah, we're gonna cut some of his hair. And we're gonna act like we cut
her hair off.
Yeah.
Sorry guys, I just got my wisdom teeth pulled, so I look like shit.
Yeah, let's get started.
Scissors here. We got Capone, and then I'm just gonna cut some hair off. Don't move, Capone. This is serious business. Okay, we need more than that. Okay,
no, I don't. Bro, do not cut more.
Just a little bit.
Can you tell? Where is it? Yes, you can.
No, you can't. You can barely see it.
Guys, you can like totally see that.
We're just gonna cut a little piece right here.
Alright, that's good.
Now just let me like mix it in. You can't even tell.
You can.
You can't even tell. Good boy, Papa.
Oh my god, I feel like this is animal abuse.
Good boy, Papa.
Ew, his hair is on my bed. Okay, so I just went to go look for Victoria and she's currently in the bathroom. You can hear Jet. Yeah, you can hear Jet crying in the background. He's like not in a good mood. So hey. Yeah, so I'm gonna act like I cut it and Erica's gonna record. Alright guys, so I got the hair that we cut off for Capone. I got my scissors. She's helping Jet wash his hands. I'm gonna go in and like drop the hair on the floor and then like act like I'm playing with her hair, that something's in her hair, and see how it's good.
Michi. Hannah! What the? Hannah! Give me that.
Cut her hair. Cut her hair. Cut her hair, Victoria. Cut her hair.
Hey, no!
It's dark in here, guys.
Stop fighting in the dark. Okay, baby, it's okay. They're faking.
It's just a joke.
Ew, don't do your... Ew, it's not even my hair.
It's Hannah's pews.
Ew. It's the dog hair. Ew. You're fucking nasty. You're nasty.
Was it believable? Did you really think she cut your hair?
At first, and then I thought it was fucking great.
Yes, Dimitri.
Done. Throw that shit away.
How do you feel?
I feel like there's hair on me.
Hey, Bunny.
Ew, there's hair in my mouth. Ugh. There's dog hair in my mouth.
That was so stupid. She didn't even know. Gray hair. Did you want to cut your hair? How about yours? No. Okay, guys. So that was kind of stupid. How do you feel?
Can I put some in?
All right. That's the end of the video.
Everybody needs to be on camera.
So, yeah.
Can I do it? What about me? Yes.
All right.
Now
Bye,
get
guys.
too. Say bye.
Bye.
Oh, nice. Say bye.
Bye. Stay tuned. Oh.